Oh, hey there. Whether you've been watching my videos for years, or you somehow just stumbled across this one, I'm really glad you're here. For those who don't know me, my name's Matt, or Rug or Matt across all my socials. Get it? Rug or a Matt? Because I only have one T in my name? Floor mat, doormat, bath mat, yoga mat. I've heard them all. And yet somehow, craft mat ended up fitting far better than all the others. Because I like to make things. And a few years ago, I started sharing the process of the things I make online. I didn't know if anyone would care. Then somehow, millions of people started watching. First came Forky, then Karen, then Mabel here. Apparently gold nuggets are a thing too. I never would have guessed. What started on TikTok grew into this incredible community that spread across Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and beyond. And if you've been here through any part of that, thank you. But if I'm being honest, I've always felt like something was missing. Not because the vertical videos weren't enough, but because my imagination has always been bigger than the frame. See? I've wanted a place that wasn't just a workshop. I wanted something that felt more like a set. A creative playground, if you will. A place where giant characters could hang out in the background. Where paint could somehow end up where it wasn't supposed to be. And every project started with one simple question. What happens if we try this? And that's what all of this is. Every cabinet, every shelf, every light, because getting this lit has not been fun. Every oversized project that's somehow gonna live in this room is all being built with one goal in mind. To create a place that makes me excited to walk into every day. Because I think creativity works a lot like that. If your space makes you smile, you're a whole lot more likely to make something. And I hope that's what it becomes. Not just a workshop, but a place that inspires you to create as well. Around here, you'll find giant builds, tiny crafts, Halloween projects are definitely going to be entering the chat, because let's be honest, Halloween definitely has a way of showing up around here. And probably a bunch of random ideas that sounded good at the time. I've got to get back to working on him. You'll see things work exactly as planned, but you'll also see things go completely off the rails. But that's kind of the point. Around here, we don't chase perfection. We just trick the eye. We figure it out. We laugh. I laugh a lot. Just giving you the heads up on that. And somehow it usually works, because things don't have to be perfect. Sometimes you've just got to try. And whether we succeed or we completely mess something up, we learn something every single time. And I hope by the end of each video, you leave thinking, you know what? I could make something too, because you can. And that's what I want this place to be. A place where creativity doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to begin. So if this happens to sound like your kind of place, I'd love for you to stick around, because this is the beginning of something I've wanted to build for a very long time. And honestly, I cannot wait to see where we take it together. So welcome to the Craft Mat. Now go make something. And as always, thanks so much for watching and stay crafty.